Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here today. I think it's a 250. I'm not sure. Still, remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm trying to teach you anything. I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. I also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Guys, in case you knew, I take everything apart of the machine. Like that, I can show you everything. The piston, I'm gonna show you everything like that. You know, you can see I'm fair. And you can be fair with me when you receive the machine, okay? And this one is a little hole open. It looks like maybe it got burned there and then they decided to do that. Who knows? Maybe he invents something getting out of there. Who knows? But it looks nice the way he cut it. Let's see if we got gas. Since we're doing this. No. No gas. And this was got oil. Oh, it's broke right here. No bueno. Okay, I'm gonna try the lock. Now it's unlocked. What? Since this thing is broke now. Okay, hard for me. Okay, it's locked. Alright. Unlock. At least the lock is working. So we can throw a flash inside there. Now we can see better. No. A little dark there. I throw the flash with a picture and I show you. Guys, we have it here. For parts, we're gonna give it a shot to see where we are. I forgot to get the handle. Give me a second. Let me go get it on my mess. Be back. Yeah, good. Yeah. They always, they always. I love them because they always get to you. Let me get some screws. I know. Should be ready. I know what you're gonna say. Come on, Robert. We don't got time for this. Blah blah blah. You know, everybody's in a rush. See, that's the problem. I put the wrong ones, and it's worse. Okay. All right, we're good there. Look at this popular. I'm soft today. I'm a little soft today. All right, this is a spark plug. Came with it. I see already a problem. You see how it's heat down? No bueno. You can try to fix it if you want. When I see this situation, I prefer just throwing it away. In this case, of course, I already know by heart what to do. I already made, but don't try this at home if you don't know what you're doing. This is only for I can't even say professionals. I love it. Alright, one on screw on this baby right there. Even you have the machine, always trying to put the force with your hands before you do use any machines, okay? Alright, we're gonna give it a shot. We already know we don't have no gasoline. That's not a problem. We're gonna throw a few through here, okay? This is for a big machine that you're working on. You can do one or two drops. When I mean drops, I mean like a drops, like drops. Only big machines. In this case, we're gonna go through here. Remember, you need to accelerate also the bulb inside, like that will go through. Okay. We're gonna move a little bit to the right. Will be better, like that I can hit it. I think I can hit it. Oh, let me grab it through here. Let me show you it's unlocked. Always make sure it's unlocked. It's better for the machine. Well, in this case, if you don't have the bar, of course. Remember, we're talking about what we're doing. 1, 2, 3. Look at that baby. Look at you, girl, finding a home so quick, huh? Look at you, huh? Know what to do. I know it was a little oil. Okay. I don't know if it was there already, the oil trying to come off. I don't think it was enough for it to come off. Alright, so far, this is my meal, my coil. But at least we know the flywheel works and coil works. Out of that, remember, guys, are for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix it, that's on you, not on me. Because this is what I do. For example, maybe you have another one and you can change this, or you just need that or that. Or maybe you want to hang it because it brings your memory when you were little. You want to hang it. That's what I do. I sell for parts, not to fix. Thank you for everything. Hola mi gente. Que me dice la raza. Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben, tenemos una 250. Esta ladera es mía, que se la puse porque vino sin aladera. Pero por lo menos sabemos que la mariposa funciona y la bobina. De ahí para allá, recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Si usted trata de arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un error porque yo vendo para partes. Y eso es cosa de usted. Como digo yo en inglés, a San You, eso está en usted, no es mi problema. Porque lo más probable es que usted quiera esta pieza o esa, quién sabe. O la quiere guindar porque esto le trae recuerdo cuando usted era chiquito. Y la quiere guindar. Bueno, ya saben mi gente, ahí le enseñé todo para no seguir. Ya saben, cualquier cosita, sin pena aquí estamos, que se una la raza.